Yo, yo, yo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. But before that, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zaki Firdaus, and today I want to present my mini research entitled "Students Sleep." Before we look at the slides, I want to tell you why I chose this topic. As engineering students, we often see our friends looking very tired. There is a stereotype that we are like zombies because we have too much homework, project, and practical report. I wanted to know the truth. Is it really the curriculum, or is it because of our own habits? I don't know. That's why I did this research. So to find the answer, I did a small. Uh, okay, let's move on. Wait. Okay, introduction to sleep habits. To find the answer, I did a small investigation. Let's look at the research approach. Mhm. I did face-to-face interviews with two engineering students. I wanted to know about their real study habits. I didn't just ask, "Do you sleep?" I asked specific questions like, "When do you do your lab reports?" and "How long do you use your phone before studying?" Yeah, that's I spent about 15 minutes interviewing each student to get the details, and yeah, we conducted face to face. Let's move on to the next slide. Key research findings on sleep. Now, this is the most interesting part. The findings. The the results shows that the problem isn't always the heavy workload. The real problem is time management and procrastination. From the from the interview interviews, I found that students often start their study session very late, usually after 10 p.m. because they start late, they become very tired. This leads to fatigue, and they have to drink coffee or caffeine just to stay awake. You know, too much glass, one more glass, two more, three. That's it. And not just caffeine, but also sugar. Yeah, also sugar. So it is a habit problem, not just a school problem. Okay. So reflection on sleep and health. So what is the critical reflection from this research? We learned that staying up late is bad for us. Chronic sleep deprivation can hurt, yeah, can hurt our metabolism and health. Yeah, this is the most important part. Our healthy. Apa? I don't know. My English so bad. I'm sorry. Mm, we need to change our mindset. We should not think that sleeplessness is a cool thing or a sign of dedication. We must respect our body's need for sleep. Recovery, yeah, recovery, not just to our muscle, um, but also for our brain. Uh, yeah, that's, before I close, here are some important words from this presentation to help us learn. First, a stereotype, a common idea about a group of people like engineering students don't sleep. And then second, procrastination, like waiting until the last minute to work to do homework. Yeah. And third, fatigue, feeling very, very tired. And then and then fourth, the curriculum, the subjects we study in college, like me. Yeah. So, for conclusions, uh, to conclude my presentation, this mini research shows that the sleepless engineering students stereotype isn't is not 100% true. The main problem is not always the heavy curriculum, but, but the real problem is often poor time management. My findings show that students tend to procrastinate and start their work very late, usually after 10 p.m. This leads this leads to fatigue and makes them really rely on caffeine. We must we must remember that chronic sleep deprivation is dangerous for us. It has a bad effect. Yeah, it has a bad effect on our metabolism and hormone balance. You know, my English is so bad. You know that. So my final message is we need to stop romanticizing sleeplessness as a sign of dedication. Okay? We must recognize our biological needs and manage our time better for a healthier life. I want to dedicate this video to every student who is working hard right now. Um, it is okay to take a break. It is okay to rest. Please stop romanticizing sleeplessness. You are more important than your assignment. Um, and to everyone watching this, thank you for your time. Please, but and also please remember this: your health is your most important asset. Don't sacrifice your sleep just to look busy. Real success comes from a healthy body and a clear mind. Take care of yourself, sleep well, and goodbye. Finally, uh, let's stop being zombies and start being healthy students. Recognize your biological needs and manage your time wisely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful and restful day. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.